Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is the fourth day that Samantha has gone to her daycare. I'll give you an update about yesterday. So yesterday, I left her around 10:45, and because a day before that she slept well and everything, so I thought yesterday she may wait for a bit longer time, but that did not happen. I think around 1:15 I got a call from her daycare ma'am saying that she is crying because she was sleepy. She had not eaten anything properly, so they had given her khichdi rice which they had prepared, but she did not like it. That is why I think because of the hunger she could not sleep. And while leaving, she was crying when I got her home. Uh, she tried to sleep but she could not. Then she started playing. Then I fed her. So then she was fine when she was home. Today morning, she was very adamant. She did not want to get ready. She did not want to wear her socks. She did not want to wear her shoes. She did not want to change her into other clothes. Somehow, I tried, to do things playfully. I changed her clothes. I made her wear the socks. I could not make her wear the shoes because she was crying a lot when I tried to do that. And now, even if I am taking her out anywhere and I try to put the shoes, she thinks that I'm taking her to the daycare. So she has stopped wearing the shoes. I think as time goes by, she will try and wear them again. I don't know when. So, yes, today I left her a bit early because she had woken up early today. I left her around before 10:30, and she was crying a lot today. So step by step she has started. So first day, without crying, she had gone inside because she did not have an idea what is it, this daycare and all. The second day, when she went inside and I left her, she started crying. The third day, there are two gates to her daycare. When she saw the inner gate, she started crying. And today, I got down from the auto rickshaw and she held me tight, and then she started sobbing a bit. So the ma'am took her from my hand. She started crying a lot, but after 10-15 minutes I got a message from her ma'am saying that she's quiet now. She ate. I have given her two tiffins today because she doesn't eat the meal that they give her over there. Maybe she doesn't like the taste. So let's see how she's going to eat. And yes, just now I got a message from her ma'am saying that they were trying to make her sleep. She has slept now. She also sent me a picture. She was sleeping so nicely like an angel. I felt so bad because she has never, I think, 2 to 3 times she has, slept in other people's hand, or she normally sleeps with me from the time she started understanding things. So now she is, I know it must be difficult for her as well to sleep with other people, to interact with them. She's unable to speak, maybe they don't understand. So now here when she is with me, I the action she does, I understand that this is the thing that she wants to say. I know for her teachers there and for her also, it may be a bit difficult to understand the way she communicates. uh, I don't know, but mm, I am very happy that she is trying to understand the situation. I pray every day that a day will come very soon when she will smilingly see her bye, and stay there, so that I also will be relieved while going to my job. I won't have the thoughts that what now, will she be crying and all those things. And yes, I hope very soon that would happen because she's very adjusting, she's very understanding. From the time she was born, for 8 months, I was in my home at my mother's place. Then suddenly I had to go to my in-laws. From there I came to Pune. So the transition from there was a lot. And then we normally keep on traveling from Pune to Kolhapur to Miraj. So all that thing goes on. But yes, she adjusts very soon. Like when she meets people, she likes to interact with a lot of people. She likes being in people. So again, when she comes back to Pune, it's only me and her father, and things are going pretty well. I hope for the best, and let's see when I get a call today from her ma'am. So today she's told me that she would wait till she wakes up, see if she cries after she wakes up, because normally she needs to see me after she wakes up. So she said, let's see how things go, and in case if she cries a lot, she will call me. If she doesn't cry a lot, maybe she'll feed her, and then she may call me. So yes, it's been around, I think, around 3 hours now that she's over there. As time increases, I start feeling more worried about her, but uh, I think even I'll be fine. Even she will be fine very soon. And I have actually got makhana for her. I was just trying to start, something, because it is rich in protein. So I will also show you, in case if I make a recipe for her today, like some snack with it. I will try and make a video of it. Also, if you have any suggestions, please do comment, and please like, share, and subscribe. Also, thanks to all the people who have subscribed newly. Uh, Thanks to everybody for your love, for your support. It just motivates me to make the videos. So, bye bye.